Good evening and welcome to the Weather Center. We still have lots of rain-bearing clouds covering much of southern South Africa as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal. We are also seeing thunderstorms still going on across much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, spilling into parts of Gauteng and the eastern parts of the northwest. Otherwise, clear skies continue for the rest of South Africa. So tonight, rain and thunder showers are forecast in these areas highlighted here, extending from the eastern parts of the northwest into Gauteng, eastwards into much of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, maybe spilling into the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. A bit of rain is forecast over parts of the south coast, extending into the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas. Then on Monday, we are expecting a sunny one across the bulk of South Africa. However, light rain will continue along the Eastern Cape coastal areas across the bulk of KwaZulu-Natal, extending into eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Thunder showers are forecast as we go further west into Gauteng and the eastern parts of the northwest. We are expecting up to a 40% chance of rain and thunder showers tonight across the eastern provinces, a 40% chance of rain for parts of the south coast, and just a 20% chance of light rain is forecast along the Eastern Cape coastal areas. We still have a warning for high seas issued by the South African Weather Service along much of the east coast between Durban and Cape St. Francis. If you're in Cape Town tonight, it's going to be more like this, as you can see here on the Metrovision picture. Just a few patches of cloud over the mountains, and overnight temperatures will drop to around 12 degrees. A southwesterly breeze is forecasted tonight and on Monday along much of the east coast. We are expecting light winds tonight as well as on Monday over much of the interior. Southeasterlies are expected to set in along parts of the south and southwest coastline, extending into the west coast. Overnight temperatures are going to stay rather chilly over the central parts of the country. Bloemfontein and Kimberley dropping to 5 degrees, a minimum of 9 for Johannesburg, just a degree warmer as we go towards Pretoria. Comfortable overnight temperatures for Richards Bay and Durban. East London, Port Elizabeth and the Mother City will drop to around 12 degrees. It's going to be rather hot on a Monday afternoon across the west coast and the northern parts of the country, further down, reaching around 33 degrees. The Mother City peaks at around 27. It's going to be cooler as we go further east with highs in the lower 20s for George, Port Elizabeth and East London. Durban will peak at around 23, a high of 20s forecast for Johannesburg. Pretoria 22 and a warm 25 is forecast for Mahikeng. Sunny skies are forecast on Tuesday over western South Africa. It's going to be partly cloudy but dry over the eastern half of the country. Then on Wednesday, thunder showers are expected over the northeastern areas. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your evening.